Learn from your mistakes. One big reason why most people fail at business is because of paralysis by analysis. When first starting out in any new venture, you must educate yourself by reading as much free content about your niche as possible. One way to get good free information is to sign up for a few email lists of influencers in your niche. Another good way to learn without spending money is to join a few Facebook groups and a few forums that are niche specific. The problem with the free route is the people that are giving away this information always seem to leave a few pieces of the puzzle out. This is by design, so eventually you need to pay them for the rest of the story. That's okay because they need to be paid for their knowledge and for all the hard work they've put in to learn this stuff. The issue is new people to the space tend to buy too many products and go into debt before they make a dime in their business. The thinking is that they are brand new and are too green to start their business. I'm going to let you in on a little secret. Are you ready? It's simple. Implement the material you've already learned. Chances are you know way more about your business than you think you know. A very good friend of mine told me about his first mentor in real estate investing named Larry. Larry sold him some books and tapes and said, "Call me when you have questions or get stuck." After reading through the material and listening to the tapes, my friend called him and said, "Larry, I'm stuck." Larry says, "Okay, how many times did you read through the material?" He said, 3 times. "Okay, how many times did you listen to the tape recordings?" My friend replied, 3 times, and I haven't made any money yet. Larry said, "How many offers did you make on properties?" My friend said, none. Larry laughed and said, "I've never bought a house I didn't make an offer on." In other words, implement the stuff you learned from me, then call me with your questions. Looking back, it sounds like my friend was the village idiot, but he kept grinding and bought many properties over the years, made plenty of cash, and even taught others eventually. So guys, learn from your mistakes and just keep implementing what you know and learning as you go. Make sure you're realistic in setting goals for your business. It takes time to build a good foundation, so allow yourself the time to build it right. Listen, I'm not here to rain on your parade or be a negative Ned. All I'm saying is to manage your expectations, implement what you already know, and allow yourself to make mistakes. That's how we learn. Anyway, I'm done ranting, and I hope I've saved some of you a few bucks and maybe inspired a few also.